unsa maning sense of urgency kaning kabalaka, kataranta, kahadlok, no kaguol. And that is very important. That feeling is very important for us to initiate change. But the fact remains, Gov, that you are still our governor. In the next 100 days, you are still our governor, and we know you have that sense of urgency in you as our governor on the top of the organization to really respond and address the problems in the ground, on the ground. So we are thankful that you are here, and we are also here because of that sense of urgency. Nakita namo how you establish a guiding coalition with DepEd, DOH, IATF, local government unit in order to come up with plans and then execute plans and make things happen.